Imagine an 85-inch window to another world right in your living room. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. The Sharp 4TC85HP7050 U85-inch class Aquos QLED 4K Ultra HD Xumo Smart TV. This isn't just a television. It's a statement, a centerpiece, and a portal to unparalleled entertainment. If you've been dreaming of taking your home viewing experience to the absolute next level, stick around, because Sharp has delivered something truly special here. Let's talk about what makes this giant screen absolutely sing, starting with its groundbreaking Deep Chroma Quantum Dot technology. Now, that's a mouthful, but what does it really mean for your viewing pleasure? It means colors that don't just look good, they look real. Sharp has engineered this display to produce an astonishingly wide and vibrant color spectrum, far beyond what traditional LED TVs can achieve. Imagine watching a nature documentary where the greens of a rainforest or the blues of an ocean are so rich and nuanced, you feel like you could reach out and touch them. Or a blockbuster movie where explosions burst with a fiery intensity and sunsets glow with an incredible, photorealistic warmth. This technology ensures every pixel is bursting with life, delivering unparalleled brightness and contrast that makes every scene pop with breathtaking detail. It's not just a picture. It's an immersive visual feast that pulls you right into the heart of the action, making your favorite content feel brand new again. And speaking of cinematic experiences, the Sharp Aquos QLED truly shines with its integration of Dolby Vision. This isn't just standard HDR. Dolby Vision is a premium, dynamic HDR format that transforms your viewing with incredible brightness, contrast, and color. What does that translate to for you? It means when you're watching a movie shot in Dolby Vision, you're seeing it exactly as the director intended, with every shadow harboring intricate details and every bright highlight shining without getting washed out. Deep, inky blacks give way to sparkling stars in a night sky, and vibrant colors leap off the screen with a depth and realism that's simply stunning. Whether it's the subtle textures in a dimly lit scene or the blinding brilliance of a sun-drenched landscape, Dolby Vision optimizes the picture frame by frame, ensuring a truly premium and immersive experience that brings the magic of the cinema directly into your home. But a beautiful picture is only half the story, right? Convenience and smart features are just as crucial in today's connected world. That's where the voice control remote and the integrated Xumo Smart TV platform come into play. Imagine kicking back on your couch, losing the remote in the cushions, we've all been there, and simply saying, "Hey Xumo, play The Mandalorian on Disney+." And just like that, it happens. No more fumbling through menus, no more typing with on-screen keyboards. This voice remote makes navigating your vast ocean of content incredibly intuitive and fast. You can switch inputs, search for specific movies or shows across all your streaming services, check the weather, or even adjust settings, all with the power of your voice. It transforms the way you interact with your TV, making your entertainment experience smoother, more enjoyable, and truly hands-free. It's about making your life easier, giving you more time to simply enjoy what you love. So, who is the Sharp Aquos QLED for? It's for the movie lover, the avid gamer, the sports fanatic, and anyone who demands the absolute best from their home entertainment. This 85-inch marvel isn't just big, it's brilliant, bringing unparalleled color, breathtaking detail, and effortless control right to your fingertips. It's an investment in an experience that will redefine how you watch TV, making every moment spent in front of the screen an event. If you're ready to transform your living room into a state-of-the-art cinematic paradise, this is the TV you've been waiting for. Don't just watch content, experience it. If you're as excited about this Sharp Aquos QLED as I am, you can find the link to check it out and get more details in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more cutting-edge tech reviews,